Lone Star Rider, I ride alone. If you test me, I'll fuck off that money gone. Lone Star Rider, I ride alone. If you test me,
979.
check this out.
It's time to quit slipping and just make shit happen. I got quick reflexes and fast reactions. I ain't tripping on money or the latest fashion. I just need my family and my dicky sagging. I done came too far, can't fall off the wagon. Put my name on the wall, yeah, I'm known for tagging. The rag the same color of my skin, I'm flagging. Seem like everybody fell off, what the fuck done happened? I'm just trying to get paid off the shit I'm rapping. I don't wanna go back to kicking doors and jacking. I keep my rims spinning and my paper stacking. I failed in math class cause I didn't like subtraction. My game is real grimy but I shine like platinum. Just dropped a new song called Bumper Dragon. I'm known to rent so I keep on smashing. Got too many problems, keep overlapping. More problems in the math class. We die young, so you know we gotta live fast. In the streets trying to make me some quick cash. Roll a sweet and make that hoe turn into ash. My roots deeply straight down the Eagle Pass. My blood hot, so hot I caught a heat rash. I'm moving forward, fuck trying to live in the past. I'm trying to blow up like a fucking meth lab. Got tired of being broke, got up off my ass. My future's plain to see, clear like some glass. I'm trying to be first, fuck being last. I gotta hold on, man, and keep a tight grasp. I'm trying to see more green in the field of grass. If I died tomorrow, would you miss my ass? Since I got my brothers back, would you come and blast? I don't wanna know the answer, but I thought I'd ask. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, that's what's up, man. You got it going on, bro, for real. Shit's going down, man. Let's keep it up, man. Keep pushing that shit, pushing that pen, man. And shit, you gonna have some fucking hits, man, straight up.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to work on, dog. Shit, I'm glad you said that too a minute ago. Shit, that makes me feel good, but it makes me feel like I accomplished something, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, you are, bro. Shit, that shit's the realest shit, man. I'm telling you, that's the kind of music I like to hear. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, that's the kind of CD that real gangster niggas buy. You know what I'm saying? Real G shit. So you ain't got nothing. You just keep it up, man. That shit's dope for you.
Oh, really, brother? Hell yeah, you already know it's a no play all day.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah, shit gonna change.